Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Splunk SPL Rare command. The Rare command is a powerful tool in Splunk that helps you identify the least common values in your data. It's particularly useful for discovering anomalies and unusual patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. With the Rare command, you can analyze bottom percentages of your data and detect rare events that could indicate security threats, system failures, or other important occurrences. This command is essential for anyone looking to perform thorough data analysis and anomaly detection in Splunk. The Rare command is designed to return the least common field values from your search results. Its basic syntax is simple. You pipe your search results to Rare followed by the field name you want to analyze. The primary purpose of this command is threefold. First, it returns the least common field values, helping you identify entries that appear infrequently in your data. Second, it's excellent for identifying anomalies and outliers that might require investigation. Third, it shows you the bottom percentage data, giving you insight into the rarest occurrences in your dataset. This makes it an invaluable tool for security analysis, performance monitoring, and data quality assessment. Let's look at a simple example of how to use the Rare command. Starting with index equals web, we pipe the results to Rare client IP. This query searches through web server logs and identifies the least common IP addresses that have accessed your web server. What this does is find IP addresses with the lowest visit frequency, which could indicate suspicious activity, one-time visitors, or potentially malicious actors. This basic usage pattern can be applied to any field in your data, making it a versatile tool for identifying unusual patterns across different types of logs and data sources. You can control the output of the Rare command using the limit parameter. In this example, we search index equals security and pipe to Rare user limit equals 5. This returns only the top 5 rarest users in the security logs. The limit parameter is particularly useful because the default limit is 10 results, but you might want more or fewer depending on your analysis needs. By setting limit equals 5, you focus on the most unusual entries, which helps prioritize your investigation efforts. The limit parameter allows you to control exactly how many rare values you want to examine, making your analysis more focused and manageable. The Rare command becomes even more powerful when analyzing multiple fields simultaneously. In this example, we search index equals access underscore logs and pipe to Rare client IP, user underscore agent. This analyzes unique combinations of IP addresses and user agents together. What makes this particularly valuable is that it helps you detect unusual browser and IP pairings that might indicate automated tools, bots, or suspicious activity. For instance, if you see an uncommon combination of a specific IP address with an unusual user agent string, it could suggest someone is using automated scripts or trying to mask their identity. This multi-field approach gives you deeper insights into relationships between different data elements. To better understand the distribution of rare values, you can use the show percentage equals true parameter. In this example, we search index equals errors, pipe to Rare error underscore code, and add show percentage equals true. This displays the percentage of total events for each Rare error code value. The percentage information is crucial because it quantifies exactly how rare each value is relative to your entire dataset. This helps you prioritize your investigation efforts by showing not just what's rare, but exactly how rare it is. Values that represent less than 1% of your data, for example, might warrant immediate attention, while those representing 2 or 3% might be less critical. The Rare command shines in real-world scenarios across 2 main categories: security analysis and operations monitoring. For security analysis, you can identify unusual login patterns that might indicate compromised accounts, detect rare error codes that could suggest attack attempts, find infrequent user agents that might be automated tools or malware, and spot anomalous IP behavior that could indicate reconnaissance or brute force attacks. For operations monitoring, the Rare command helps you discover rare application failures that might indicate code issues, uncommon system events that could suggest hardware problems, infrequent performance issues that might need optimization, and low-frequency status codes that could indicate configuration problems. These use cases make the RARE command an essential tool for both security teams and system administrators. To get the most out of the RARE command, follow these best practices and considerations. First, use appropriate time ranges for your searches. Too broad and you might miss recent anomalies. Too narrow and you might not have enough data for meaningful analysis. Second, filter your data before using RARE to focus on relevant events and improve performance. Third, combine RARE with stats commands to provide additional context around your RARE values. Fourth, set reasonable limits based on what you can realistically investigate. Keep in mind some important considerations. The RARE command can be resource-intensive on large datasets, so monitor performance carefully. Memory usage increases with the number of fields you analyze, so be selective. Consider your data distribution. What's rare in one dataset might be common in another. Finally, always validate your rare versus common patterns to ensure your analysis makes sense. Remember, the RARE command helps you discover the unusual, making it perfect for anomaly detection across all types of data analysis scenarios. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.